Hello again and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 Minute English videos, helping you to learn English fast. One of the strange things about teaching during lockdown is the fact that a lot of my students end up going off on little side tracks during the class and talking about things that we weren't strictly supposed to be talking about. One of the most popular sidetracks seems to be reminiscing about travel and foreign holidays. This morning in class, one of my students ended up talking about a trip around Europe that she'd been on last year with her husband. And she was talking about how much she loved Barcelona and how great the food was in Spain. At this point, one of the other students interrupted her and said, "Oh, come off it! The food in Spain isn't a patch on the food in Italy." In other words, the food in Italy is much better. If you say that one thing isn't a patch on another thing, you mean that it's nowhere near as good. It's not nearly as good. For example, teaching online is okay, but it's not a patch on teaching face-to-face. If you've enjoyed this video, please click like, share it with your friends and subscribe. And we'd love to hear in the comments section below about things that you think aren't a patch on other things. Thanks for watching.